Hi, I'm Celina Mikolajczak. I lead the battery team at Lyten. We are developing lithium sulfur batteries. It's a new technology. So anyone that makes cells or uses cells pretty quickly realizes they have to run cycle testers and they have to cycle cells, and then they have to be able to look at the data. I remember the first time I put cells on a make-or tester, at that point in time, you would cycle a small number of cells and then you would plot the data on the computer that was hooked up to the cycler. That was what you did, which works fine if you're cycling 5 or 10 cells. But the reality when you actually start, collect large volumes of data, you don't cycle 5 or 10 cells. You cycle 5,000 or 10,000 cells. It gets really big and complicated quickly. And either you ramp a huge team to manage your cyclers and to write scripts to pull the data off and put it in reports that your engineers can look at, or you say, you know what? Someone has to have thought about this. I'm gonna go buy an integrated solution. It should be very easy. It is with Voltaiq. You don't have to write a whole script. You don't have to figure out how to do this. You just do it. A lot more often now, individual researchers are diving right in and taking a look at their cells real time, and they're able to come back to me with a much deeper analysis than they could previously. Cell making, cell development is all about the data. It only goes as fast as your researchers can look at the data, and when you make that easy to get, it just speeds up the innovation, the quality improvements that you can make on your cells. It speeds everything up. Are there other solutions that exist for data processing? Voltaiq's leading the industry.